Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at the solutions to Liberal Arts Math Homework 23. Problem number 1 says to find the slope of a line that passes through the points -3, 7 and 2, 3. And so we have to have the difference of the y's. So 3 take away 7 divided by the difference of the x's. 2 take away -3. So 3 take away 7 is going to be -4. 2 take away -3 is really 2 plus 3. Two negatives make a positive when they're side by side. And so we get -4/5 for that one. Number 2, Kevin can read 24 pages of a book in 1 hour. At this rate, how long will it take him to read 300 pages? So if he can read 24 pages of a book in 1 hour, how long will it take him for 300 pages? So if you do this, you could do 24 pages in 1 hour. Now that's going to be equal to 300 pages in X hours. So if you cross multiply, you get 24x equals 300, because 300 times 1 is 300. So let's take 300, divide by 24, and we get 12.5. So it's going to take 12.5 hours. And that is it. Number 3, a pair of pants normally costs $42, but they're on sale. That's supposed to be on sale, not one sale. On sale for 15% off. How much will the pants cost now? So what you do is you take 42 and 0.00 if you want, but then you multiply it by 100 minus 15. 100% minus 15% is 85%, 0.85. And so we're going to take 42 times 0.85, and we get $35.70. So the pants are going to be $35.70 total. Number 4, which one of the following functions is linear? So we're looking to see whether x has a power of 1, exponent of 1. That's cubed, that's squared, that has a power of 1. That is definitely linear. That's a line. This one's square root. Has to be C for that one. Number 5, what is the slope of the line shown below? The slope is the number in front of x when it's in slope-intercept form, -2. Number 6, square root of 63. 63 is 9 times 7. 7 is prime. 9 is 3 times 3. A pair of factors here is worth 1 on the outside. The 7 doesn't have a pair, so it stays in, and 3 root 7 is your final answer. Number 7, solve this equation. Left-hand side, you have 3x and another one, make 4x plus 4. Right-hand side, if you distribute, you have 2x and then minus 18. All right, let's subtract 2x on both sides. So 2x plus 4 is equal to -18. Subtract 4, bring down my 2x. -18 minus another 4 is a -22. Divide by 2. And it looks like x is equal to -11. Number 8, graph the line 2/3 x minus 3. So we're going to go down 3 units for the y-intercept. Put a dot. 2/3 means you're going to go up 2, 3 to the right. And again. Then we're going to go back 3, down 2 to finish the pattern to the left. We take our straight edge. We always use a straight edge. And we graph our line. And there it is. Number 9, select all numbers that are irrational. If you look at all of these are all square roots. And so you were looking for the square roots where the number under the square root, called the radicand, is not a perfect square. 2 is not a perfect square. Perfect squares are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Yeah, it's a number times itself. 2 is definitely not that. So no. 6 is not a perfect square. 9 is, though. Root 9 is 3. Oh, I'm sorry. So they are irrational. My fault. I was looking for rational. Whoops. Yes, this is irrational. This is irrational. Just the opposite. Root 12. is irrational because 12 is not a perfect square. Yes, I'm looking for all of the numbers that are irrational. Should probably do that. Root 16 is 4. That's rational, so I'm not going to choose these two. Yep. And then finally, number 10, find the range of the function graph below. People are still saying all real numbers because they're just putting that down for everything. Unfortunately, it is not because there's no graph down here. So for the y values, it's definitely not going to be all real numbers. And people really need to stop doing that. It's going to be this y value at -3 and all of the ones up. All of these y values are covered by points on this curve. So it's going to be all y greater than or equal to -3. Okay, so those are all 10 problems on Liberal Arts Math Homework 23. Remember to like my videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys later. Bye.